How's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chrysler 300S. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 300 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Plenty of space in the back. Coming around back, we've got our 300S badging, all-wheel drive. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry. Power windows, Beats by Dre sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls. Automatic transmission. This 300S has 35,041 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chrysler, check out feldmannimports.com.